Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Etiefo, me mo bibi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Na Endra, the hearing of the election petition no etuaso. Na say Endra na because of a lot of issues are not ACT. I couldn't bring you the breakdown into a lot of people are still waiting for my summary on it so that they will actually know what's happened. Now, before that, no, odia infonina echuche go ewo screen so no entire you produce wa brochure. Opatari ni be a link no ewo description box ni mo. Oyen so subscribe and click the notification bell no and no the dial screen so see we are the latest news we about once ebeka. We have an official WhatsApp platform. The link is in the description box. You can click to join. Say enye madia. Obeso trewa adwen ewo asembia nso so a number no eda screen ase na adwen trene de mesremo obetrewa adwen a enye Supreme Court nsensem a ekoso because udi agro contempt ebebem intino if adwen tra obetre na ohwe na se prejudicial and say ebeye contempt amesre, don't even send it because me kramitia me mfantuja ati ase I'm just giving you this proud notice. Anyway, let's go into the matter. Supreme Court bullfu. Now, I don't know whether to say they've threatened the NDC or it is a fair warning to the NDC. But some people are terming it. As a second chance given to the NDC. Now, Supreme Court no can say, inyama bia NDC for you know, and okay, you see, technically, NDC for the court. John Dramani Mahama, who is the flag bearer of NDC. So since we are talking about the court cases, let's address the right people. Now, Supreme Court can say John Dramani Mahama say one share ya. Nen semwa wode aba beda Supreme Court nim say about on ye wiemu na yensan koto aba foforo no. One share ya ye bebo asem legu. Yes, Endra Supreme Court no. Ebe kan sansem no. Na obi be bisa say na Supreme Court pan kan same way e ba ne sen ne na say Mahama failed to comply with the order from the Supreme Court. The tintini ni titi mu no. Supreme Court ema order say Mahama wonye bibi na Mahama Endra wo mudru court no ono ne lawyers nia wo mo anye sa ade no. Nti no na Supreme Court dey bufu ema sa threat no. Eyen ade Supreme Court ka say Mahama enye no Martina has say I can't tremble pain. You see, the former president and then the lawyers no, they were told to file their witness statements. One more 5 witnesses. And you can say one more file one more witness statements. And no, and year Chachuchi Kata say oh, na yen file a witness statement one one day pay. And no na Chachuchi Kata be can say bia now it has become famous. I walk and say ma Supreme Court judges no pen them say we move buaten. Otherwise anye de say baby a papa your eda no na baby a pepe your eda no wo muntumi enfanto. Actress is NDC for use ansem ne ka say ne chachu. Aha, sa time na chachu ka ansem no. Sa order na Supreme Court man no NDC for Womanye, they didn't file their witness statements. Now Supreme Court emma sa order no na osanso ma MPP me say I don't know why am I referring to NDC and MPP and osanso ma Ekufuado and Jean Mensa the second and first respondent respectively osanso mo say we monso file one witness statement the next day. But President Ekufuado any Jean Mensa crab a file womodia the next day after NDC for after Mahama Dieno womo crab a file but Mahama Dieno now one file. But you see the NDC also feels they have a point or they have a reason why they didn't file that witness statement. And then Adia Esi wa court no I will explain to you so that we know and we learn in Sambia Air Koso. Now, NDC Fonso, there were more air and they said, now I'll come back to that. They see here our court. but you see okwa quarter lawyer bia wo Ghana bi enim say ye wo rule bia ye friend no the 69 rule. Now that rule 69 no and the system however but I'm say friend rule 69. So rule 69 no it gives every court the power to dismiss any case in front of court no when nipa kwa wo dey asem na ba court no o fail to comply with the order of the court. Muntie ni ye court bia wo Ghana ha say bia no sa rule 69 no ene say wo dey asem ebe to court ni nim na court ni di asem no na court ne kire say ye bibi na sa ade no wanya Ghana mra emma court ni to me say court no embo wasemingu asem we na ga Supreme Court mbeti me decide say NDC for ye bo mo asem na sorry Mahama ye bo wasemegu, but they've given Mahama the second chance because he ni enim and then wokobo Mahama asemegu ye beka say see ye kan see ye kan into wo mama Mahama second chance. Some beka ya embre bi bae sa na ohwe nana apia mensa ne case na eno so judge babonti beka say wan hwe yo bebo asem egu because omo de nana apia mensa aba court no ase asem no wo mun enshow seriousness about the case into court there wo mu was say to me no. Now then they see here on Wednesday January 20th ye wa ha say and a court emma orders, and I've said that already. Say John Dramani Mahama wo file your witness statements. Na ye hwe nim. But you see what happened, they say John Dramani Mahama ebe file application for stay of proceedings. Now, application for stay of proceedings no, me explain it to you say what it means and say wo mo say court in sensem no yen twentwen so until say review of insenfo a wo mo pese wo mo bisa EC boss Jimensa no until say ye review of sansenfo ano iti ho chachuchi kata nangasa no ye resume sitting no wamba court iti na etoni later ena na wo ho e one na Supreme Court judges nka say NDC for Mahama onkro for Tony Lita and then ekoso ye hwe nim say mo witness statement no ebeba ewe na Tony Lita sorry ya waka say witness statement ne de yinto me amfamba yinto me amfile witness statement because ye file another application ye bisa say court no halt the proceedings until the final determination of the review application on interrogatories, because when Mususu say the interrogatories no, it could even have effect on Omo John Dramani Mahama the witness statements no. Inti na na womo yes no. Inti that was the reason why woman file it. And I court think say okay, oh dear, young call recess into Omo call recess for 30 minutes. Omo call recess for 30 minutes no. And I womo buy and I womo be kasa I can't say ni say ne clear say mo file application but wo file application bia na and I say wo ko file application na e wo say wo hu ne say court no wa ma order inti wo ya order ne first order na court na ma no you do it wo de beto wo be ya to wo de wo mpa asem inti say court ma orders a your orders ne to ho wo file wo application na wa file wo ba court no na ebia asem no eba abonten a you have nothing to lose because why you have to ho into obana say you okay application na wa file na ne ye hwe na order na ye man no ye nya sisia you have nothing to lose but wo call you okay wa application no ye be delay with a new later order na ya man no fe no mo mbre ni mu a na afi obeka say order na mo man no man you because me your application fufuro so mo say da bi John Dramani Mahama ne lawyers no and now on Wankasa and the lawyers no, they didn't comply with the orders of the court. Na court no e wo to me say wo be bo asem negu but one more second chance say by Wednesday January year 27th a year ende wɔn enfile witness statement no ɛna court no fixe Thursday January 28th as the next date for hearing. Nti ende ɛwɔ sɛ John Dramani Mahama wɔ filing the witness statement ɛkɔ. Nti nsɛm ɛda hɔ no etiefoɔ nanka NDC fo bebrebe wɔ hɔ a wɔn nti asɛm n'ase wɔn bɛte ande sɛ yɛse yabɔ Mahama nsɛm negu ɛbɛda ne nsɛm bebrebe nkrɔfo de bɛda ne propaganda ba me yɛhwɛ sɛ me tretre mu trɛ wo no wate ase yie mon trɛ mu adwo comment box ni mu da ase